Hello everyone, my name is Give Maguju, and today I want to show you how you can create a pose app using Django. So I will be showing you the sections in the Django documentation for Django version 3.0. So I will be showing you how to create that pose app step by step, following the Django documentation. So as you can see here, I've opened the Django 3.0 documentation, and as you can see here on the menu panel, or on the menu bar, we are seeing these steps. So this is, right now I've opened the first step, and then there's second step, and there's third step up until we get to the last section, the seventh step. So I'm going to show you how you can create a pose app. As you can see here, they written here that the functionality of the pose application, like here, the main purpose for this basic pose application, number one, is to let people view the polls and vote in them. And number two, we will also have the admin site that will allow you to add, change, and delete polls. So without further ado, let's start by creating the required directories. So I will be using PyCharm. So with PyCharm, it's very simple for me because PyCharm will just create a virtual environment for me, and what I only need to do on my side is to create the directories and then import and open those directories in PyCharm. So as you can see here, I'm on my local disk, so I'll go to users and I'll go to gmeg, and then I'll come here, and then I'll just create um for me here, I already created a directory. For example, as you can see, my Django projects, and here there's a project already that was here. So it's simple that way. So that's perfect. So let's create a directory for our project here. See, and when we open that directory in PyCharm, PyCharm will create a virtual environment. So let's just create a folder here, and let's name it Django pose project, right? Django pose app project, or let's just say Django project, just that. Okay, all right, so that's perfect, and let's save this directory, and that's it. And now let's open PyCharm. So let's wait as PyCharm opens. It won't take much time, guys. So I really assure you that you're gonna enjoy this, because it's so for you to really grasp the concept very quickly, you need to have a bit of a background in Python, okay? Because if you don't understand Python, it can be a bit challenging. I'm not saying you can't follow along, but you can follow along, but it will be an advantage to you if you know if you understand Python. So here now we are in PyCharm, and all you need to do is go to file on this menu bar, go to file, and then select open, so that we can open that directory. As you can see here, right, that's perfect. So this is the folder that we created our directory inside for this project. So let's just click on this drop down, and as you can see here, we have found our directory that we created. So all you need to do is just press OK, and let's choose this window, and boom, that's perfect. So that's great, guys. And in the next lecture, I'm going to cover how to create a project using Django, and how to create an application, and how to start the local server. So tune in, guys, and see you in the next tutorial.